Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. 13th chapter, Pythagoras Theorem. Part 2. Now let's see practice set 48, question number 2 to question number 4. Question number 2, in the right angle triangle LMN, angle M is 90 degree. If length LM is 12 centimeter and length LN is 20 centimeter, find the length of segment MN. Now here what we have to do, here first of all we will draw a diagram. Clear? So here we will mark our angle. Now here angle M is 90 degrees. So here we will mark M, N and L. Clear? So here length LM is given. LM is given, that is 12 centimeter. Clear? Length LN is given 20 centimeter. LN is 20 centimeter. Find the length of segment MN. We have to find out the segment MN. Means what we have to find out? Our height is given. LM is our height. LN is our hypotenuse. MN is our base. So means what we have to find out? We have to find out the base over here. So how you will going to find out the base? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, now tell me what will be your formula over here. Now here your formula will be length Ln, hypotenuse, Ln is your hypotenuse, is equal to your base is Mn, length Mn square plus your height is Lm. So here we will write down length Lm square. Clear? So your this one is given, hypotenuse is given 20, so 20 square. Base is not given, so you will write down Mn square as it is, plus what will be your Lm, length of Lm means your height, that is 12 square. Clear? Now 20 into 20, what you will get? 400. Length Mn square will come as it is. 12 into 12 you will get 144. Understood? Now how you will do the calculation? This 144 you will take on the left hand side. So addition will become subtraction. Understood? So length Mn square. Now 400 minus 144, what you will get over here? You will get, that is 256. So length Mn. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the square root of 256. So what is the square root of 256? So here length Mn. So what is the square root of 256? The square root of 256 is 16 centimeter. So length Mn is 16 centimeter. Clear? Understood? See question number 3. The top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? Now students, what here you have to do is, now here what we have to do, we have to reach the window. Clear? With the help of the ladder. Now the length of the ladder is given, that is 15 meter, and the window is 9 meter above the ground. Means what? The window is 9 meter above from the ground. So we have to find out the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder. Clear? We have to find out the distance between the base and the ladder. So see how you will going to find out. Now see, I will show you the figure. With the help of that figure you will understand this question very clearly. Now see, with the help of this figure it will be very clear to you what you have to find out. Now see here, the ladder is given, clear, and the wall and ground is given. So here the length of that ladder is given 15 meter and the height of that wall is given, that is 9 meter. Clear? What you have to find out? You have to find out the base of your ground. Clear everyone? You have to find out the base. So here we have to give the name to this. Now here see, you can see that here angle between the wall and the ground is 90 degree angle. Clear? So here we have to give the name. Here we will give the name, that is A, B, C. So here AC will be your hypotenuse, ladder will be your hypotenuse, wall will be your height, and ground will be your base. Clear? So means what we have to find out in this question? We have to find out the base. See how you will find out the distance between the base of the wall and the ladder. Now see, A, B, C is given. Clear? So AB, wall will be your height, ground will be your base, and ladder will be your hypotenuse. So we have to find out the ground over here. So how you will going to find out? Let's see. So by using the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. Clear? By Pythagoras theorem, you have to find out the distance between the wall and the ladder. Clear, everyone? So let's see what will be your formula. So here your formula will be, that is hypotenuse. Which side is your hypotenuse? This AC is your hypotenuse. So here we will write down length AC square. Which side is your base? That is BC. So BC square plus what will be your height? That is length AB. So AB square. Clear? So here AC is given. Length AC is given. That is 15 meter. Clear? Length BC is not given. So we will write down BC as it is. Length AB is given. That is 9 square. So now here we have to find out the square. So 15 into 15, what you will get? You will get 225. And length BC square will come as it is. 9 nines you will get 81. Now what you will do? Now this 81 you will take on the left hand side with 225. So addition will become subtraction. So 225 minus 81 is equal to length BC square. So 225 minus 81, what you will get over here? You will get, that is 144. Clear? Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the square root of 144. So what is the square root of 144? That is 12 meters. So length BC is 12 meter. So what is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? That is 15 meters. So here we will write down, therefore required distance is 12 meter. Clear? Understood how you will do this? Question number 4. If hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is of 6.5 centimeter and base is of 6 centimeter, find the height. Now here directly it is mentioned in the question that hypotenuse is 6.5 and base is 6 centimeter. You have to find out the height. So how you will going to find out this? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. So here by using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out our height. Clear? By using the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out the height. So what will be your formula? That is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Now here our hypotenuse is given, that is 6.5 square. Base is given, that is 6, and height is not given, so we will write down height as it is. So 6.5 into 6.5, what you will get? You will get 42.25. 6 you will get 36 plus height will come as it is. Clear? Now this 36 you have to take on the left hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So 42.25 minus 36 is equal to height square. Now how you will do the subtraction of this? Now 42.25. Now where you will write down 36? Here below 42.00. So 2 point, you have to carry 1 from 4. So it will become 12. 12 minus 6 you will get 6. And here 3. 3 minus 3 0. It means here you will get 6.25. Clear? Now 6.25 height square is given, means what you have to find out? You have to find out the square root. Now what is the square root of 6.25? The square root of 6.25 is that is 2.5. Clear? So here your height will be 2.25 centimeter. Clear? Understood how you will do this? Thank you.